Hello everyone! Today we will discuss an important topic that concerns us all: maintaining healthy digestion. Our digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food we eat into nutrients our bodies can use for energy and growth. When our digestive system is working properly, we experience a number of benefits such as increased energy, better sleep, and a healthy weight. One new product that can help you maintain healthy digestion is a specialized probiotic supplement. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when taken in sufficient amounts, can help support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, as it plays a key role in breaking down the food we eat and absorbing the nutrients we need. Several types of probiotics are available, including live cultures, freeze-dried cultures, and even capsules filled with dried cultures. The most effective way to choose the right probiotic for you is to consult with a healthcare professional, as they can help you determine the most suitable strain based on your individual needs. A probiotic supplement not only helps with digestion, but can also provide a number of other health benefits. For example, it can help boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and even promote mental health. Additionally, many probiotic supplements contain prebiotics, which are fibers that help feed the good bacteria in your gut. In conclusion, a new product such as a probiotic supplement can be an effective way to maintain healthy digestion. By supporting the good bacteria in your gut, you can experience better digestion, increased energy, and better overall health. So consider incorporating a probiotic supplement into your routine for a healthier and happier you.